Hello and welcome to our channel where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In this video, we'll be showing you how to specify who can see your story in Facebook on your Android device. Facebook stories are a great way to share what you're up to with your friends and family, but sometimes you may want to limit who can see your story updates. You can do this by following the steps below. Firstly, add a photo or video to share to your story. Once you have your story ready to share, tap on Privacy below your story. Then select your audience and who can see your story. If you choose Public, the story will be visible to anyone on Messenger or Facebook. If you choose Friends, the story will be visible to your Facebook friends. Below Friends, you'll see an option called Hide Story From. When you tap on it, you can choose people to hide the story from them. If you choose Custom, you have to select every single friend you want to share your story with. This option gives you complete control over who can see your story. Finally, tap Share to publish your story. It's worth noting that if someone shares your story, it will be visible to their friends as well, depending on their privacy settings. You can also check who has viewed your story by swiping up on the screen while viewing your story. This will show you a list of all the people who have viewed your story, and that's it. You have now successfully learned how to specify who can see your story in Facebook on your Android device. This feature can help you share your story updates with the people you want and keep them private from those you don't. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.